Which river is known as the Dakshin Ganga? The correct answer is Godavari. Which river originates from Amarkantak Plateau? The correct answer is Narmada. Which river flows through a rift valley? The correct answer is Narmada. Which river forms the Sundarbans Delta with the Ganga? The correct answer is Brahmaputra. Which river is called the sorrow of Bihar? The correct answer is Kosi. Which river is called the sorrow of Bengal? The correct answer is Damodar. Which river originates near Trimbakeshwar? The correct answer is Godavari. Which river flows between Sindhya and Satpura range? The correct answer is Narmada. Largest tributary of the Ganga? The correct answer is Yamuna. Which river originates from Yamunotri Glacier? The correct answer is Yamuna. Which river originates from Gangotri Glacier? The correct answer is Bhagirathi. The Ganga is officially formed at? The correct answer is Devprayag. Which rivers meet at Devprayag? The correct answer is Bhagirathi and Alaknanda. Longest river in India? The correct answer is Ganga. Longest river of peninsular India? The correct answer is Godavari. River flowing through deep gorge in India? The correct answer is Narmada. River famous for ravines? Correct answer is Chambal. Tributary of Yamuna? The correct answer is Chambal. River originating near Mansarovar region? The correct answer is all of these. Sangpo in Tibet become which river in India? The correct answer is Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra is called what in Arunachal? The correct answer is Dihang. Major tributaries joining Brahmaputra? The correct answer is all of these. River forming Majuli Island? The correct answer is Brahmaputra. Largest river island? The correct answer is Majuli. River draining into Arabian Sea? The correct answer is all of these.